Hello guys, this is Dayo again with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to actually get your AI portraits for free. Yes, you heard me, for free. So for the first thing you're going to be doing is you're going to be searching for Remini app on your Google Play Store or your Apple App Store. Then when you search on it, then you download it. So make sure you've downloaded. I already have it on my phone, so I'm just pretty much going to open it now. So when you open it, you'll be the first thing you're going to be seeing is this. Then you click on get started. So when you click on get started, then you just tap on the get started. Then it's going to show you the next option, which is this. Then you click on accept all and then continue. Then you click on continue as well. So after you click on continue, then it's going to pop up another um just keep clicking on continue, then give access to the app, then allow the app to have access to your photos and all. Then the next thing you're going to be doing is you click on let's do it, then you select the gender you want to be using. So for me, I'm going to be selecting male because I'm a male. Then you click on select its pictures. So this section is it's just you're just pretty much going to be selecting the pictures you're going to be using. So I'm going to be going to my gallery to select the pictures I want to be used. I want the AI to use. So you just pretty much need a selfie picture and a half picture. So don't select a full picture. Make sure the selfie pictures you're going to be selecting are very clear and visible, and also make sure your eyes are open, and make sure you have different um, types of selfies. Then after you're done with that, then you click on generate. Then you select a model, generate your photos. Then you select a model. I'm going to be selecting a model below. So yeah, I've seen a model, so I'm going to be using this model. So click on use model. Then it's going to take a lot of time for it to process before you can be able to access your AI pictures. So it's still loading. Just be patient. It's not going to be fast as this. So we have gotten our AI portrait. So it says right to save, then left to trash. So if you don't like the results, you can click on the left option to trash, then you click on the right option to save. So you can see how it is done, and you can see the images I've gotten. So I'm going to be saving these images, and again I'll be showing you how to actually access this feature for free. So after we are done saving, you can actually save a video, a slide video showing you the generated images. So after you're done with this, I'm going to be showing you how to actually get this for free. Then when you enter the app, when you sign up on the app using your email, it's going to show you an interface like this. Then you click on start for free. So after you've clicked on start for free, to show you an interface like this, saying add credit or debit card, it says add payment methods to your Google account to start your free trial. So you can actually unsubscribe after you've linked your card with this particular app. So you can actually unsubscribe. I've made a video on how you can unsubscribe, so you can check my videos on this channel and see how you can unsubscribe after you've used it for like 6 days. I would recommend you to use it for 5 to 6 days, then unsubscribe, so that you can actually have time, you can actually be on a safer side. So that's pretty much how you can actually get this generative AI photos for free. So we can proceed on making another new AI portraits. So I'm going to be showing you how I can make another AI portrait using a different model. So this is the model I want to be using for my next AI photos. So just tap on it, then click on use model. then it's going to take time before it loads and show you the result. So just be patient. Done. So as you can see, the AI portrait is done, and there are few errors with some images. But if you think you are okay with the errors, you can save. But if you are not okay with the errors, you can delete them. Then select. Then all these images you are saving are going to appear on your gallery. So just feel free to save whatever one do you feel you like. So yeah, this is pretty much all you need to do um for you to get your portraits. You can actually save the video, slide video as well. So I like the slide video, so I'm going to be saving it to my gallery. So if this video was helpful, do well to subscribe and comment down below and let me know your thoughts regarding this tutorial, and give it a thumbs up if you like this video as well. So you can reach me on my social media platforms, link down below. So see you in my next video. Peace. Here's a bonus tip for those who have watched my video till the end. If you want to generate an AI portrait for other people or your friends and your relatives, all you need to do is to tap on the top right corner, the icon at the top right corner of this interface. Then it's going to show you this. Then you tap on restrain AI model. Then you tap on yes, delete model. So this is how you're going to be using. Just select the gender, then begin.